there were a couple of takes that I saw that said something about like the software engineering element of building out these systems being a key piece of what will be important in 2024, not just making prompts. I would kind of build on that a little bit and propose that I think there's going to be some people that are really going to win by combining the kind of quote traditional data science and machine learning algorithms or models or systems with generative AI systems in a sort of hybridized way. And I say that because, in our own client work, I found that to be very much the case. And a very, very powerful approach is like, hey, in this case, we're, generating responses for customer emails or something. And I don't want to generate a response when the customer is really frustrated or something. I'd rather a human respond in that case and not the AI, right? Well, the best way to figure that out is, I think, with a sentiment analysis model that we know how to do really, really well, and we can run on a CPU with very little cost, right? And then we can use the generative AI to answer when it makes sense, or maybe even informed by the sentiment label, right? And I think that's only a very simple example, but combinations of recommender systems, gradient boosting machines, time series analysis with generative AI models, either large language models or other types of generative AI models. I think that's a really powerful combination that many people are kind of ignoring. It's like they've sort of moved on from the past. Now we're in this zone. But I think I kind of have the opinion that we're going to see a little bit more of that kind of make a resurgence in 2024 and be combined in interesting ways or with hybridized systems. You may not see it in the news as much, but I think on the battle lines within enterprises, it's something that you're going to see a lot.